What's up, guys? Welcome to Mikey Yourself, and today is Review Wednesday. So we're going to take a look at the LED lights that replace the reflectors that were on the side of the saddlebag here on the 2017 Road Glide. Let's check them out. Alright guys, so if you remember, we replaced the stock reflectors that were on the saddlebags with these LEDs that we got off of Amazon. I believe they were linked in that video, so if you're interested, you can check that out. Again, relatively decent price compared to some of the other brands out there, and not to say that the brands out there aren't any good or anything like that. I think they're really great quality deals. These were just a little bit more cost effective, and again, if you're building on a budget, here's an opportunity to get kind of what the other guys have out there at a lower price. So let's take a look at what these look like. And they look great, right? So we've had plenty of time now to let these things run, and they continue to look amazing. I've had zero problems with them. The things I was worried about was kind of like the adhesive, like would they come off? And then also, you know, are the LEDs, am I going to have bad LEDs out there? So we'll look at this guy over here, and haven't had any problems with them at all. And they're super bright, I'll tell you that right now. Extremely bright, easy to see at night. When you hit your brakes, they light up, and when you hit your blinker, of course they flash along with your other turn signals, right? So these things have been amazing. Like, I really like this upgrade, and it's probably one of the few upgrades that I would have went in pocket on the more expensive brands, just because I like it so much. But again, I gotta throw a huge shout out to Doyle. That's the Blue Bike and Doyle channel, for being the first one to post these things up and make me aware of them, that they existed at, like I said, the price point that I was looking for. So thanks again. You know, at the end of the day, if you're looking for something that looks like that and doesn't break the bank, this is the way to go. They're definitely worthwhile. I don't remember the name brand. Like I said, that link should be in the description, and if it's not, just throw me a word in the chat and or in the comments, and I'll make sure I go ahead and pin that, so that way y'all know which ones exactly it is that I used. They were completely plug and play. I had no problems with it. I didn't have to flash anything. So yeah, you know, the only thing that gets a little tricky is if you already have something in place, like I have those blade style turn signals, then you want to make sure that well, you don't have to make sure anything. You're going to have to connect multiple modules together, right? So these modules kind of sit in between, but it's not complex. The plugs, they only fit one way. So it's, you know, you work through that, and it's very simple. So worth the money. I recommend them. If you want to see more of that video, I'll put that here at the end. And yeah, if you enjoyed this review, hit that thumbs up. If you enjoy the content, please become a subscriber. And if you don't want to miss out on that next video, hit the notification bell. If you don't want to hear the notification, yeah, don't click the bell. But you definitely got to subscribe. And until that next video, I hope to see you in the win.